Everybody, how are you? I am Norez and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we'll be discussing questions. So let's get on the question. So our today question is, when you finish working with chemicals, biologicals, specimens and the others lab substance, always option A. Treat your hands with skin lotions. Option B, wash your hands thoroughly with soaps and waters. Option C, wipes your hands on a towel. Option D, wipe your hand on your clothes. The correct answer of the question is option B, wash your hand thoroughly with soaps and waters. So that the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classtheta.com and find on the search section. If you have any question to ask, there and ask sessions on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering. So you can thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question. Bye bye.